So my vegan friends are vegan, clearly. I know, it's hilarious, right? And they all want to eat French toast. And it's just so funny because it's like, well, you can't because it contains eggs. So I've come up with this little situation of glory that I'm going to show you. And I'm kind of winging it here, to be honest. First of all, I've got my pan on, which is a hot, kind of, you know, solid cast iron pan. It's just sitting there and it's on low, so it's hot. Barbecue plate, even better if you had one of those. What do I need? I need some spices. So I'm going to wing this, like totally wing this. And I'm going to soak this sourdough bread that I got in some infused situations. Now you can use any infused situation you like, but I'm going to use some chai tea mix that I've got soaking in some beautiful maple syrup just at the back of me here. But if you didn't have this, don't worry, just use Allspice. I don't have Allspice, and I kind of thought to myself, this is the way to go, and it absolutely is. Any plant milk you like, no rules, keep it simple. Ruben's behind the camera today. Hello, Ruben.
Hello.
Just going to add some of this. I just want to create flavour. Going to add some cinnamon to this. So just, seriously, if I didn't have this mix, I would just use cinnamon. I wouldn't even bother. But if I had Allspice, that would be a whole different story. So I'm just going to infuse the milk in this situation for a couple of minutes. Then I'm going to strain it because I don't want all the tea, look, it's already changing colour. I don't want all the tea bits to come through and break my tooth on all the spices that are in this chunky tea mix. But so I'm just imagining you're at home and you don't have certain things like I don't have certain things like Allspice. This is how you can really totally wing it. And any plant milk, have a taste. It's coming through. So just let that kind of steep for about 2 minutes and then we're going to strain it. This is fucking genius right now. Can't believe I came up with this idea actually, to be honest. It's called resilience and resourcefulness. I like to use coconut milk. You know why? Because it's like richer and stronger and it has like more flavour to it. I find like almond milk like watery and soy milk watery. I find coconut milk, you know, really nice. Really, really nice. Okay, I need a strainer. What's up, Lusmy? So at least, you know, five minutes to let it steep in that milk to get those flavours through. Okay, we are done. And then I need another bowl. With all those bits out. I'm going to add this glory. And I'm going to add some almond meal, and the reason why I'm going to add some almond meal is just so it holds together on like a little bit of a crustiness on the outside of the bread. I know it's bizarre, but bear with me. Give it a good mix. Now you definitely want a pinch of salt, because salt is the building blocks of flavour. This is like a little wee experiment, you know. Might not work. Give me a good hard crack. Taste it. Oh, that's nice. More cinnamon. More cinnamon. Okay. Now think about what you're going to serve this with. So I'm thinking strawberries, banana, coconut yogurt, maple syrup, pecans, things like that. Okay. Stove is kind of, it's actually really hot. I'm going to turn that down. What's happening? I'm just going to do 2 pieces of bread in this mix today. Oh, that's coating beautifully. I'm totally stoked with this right now, Ruben. Seriously, I didn't think this is going to work.
It looks good.
Okay. So I want to have coconut oil. You can use any oil you like. I prefer coconut oil. I'm not into the vegan margarines and shit. I think they're disgusting. I don't even know what they're made out of. I want a good splash of that. And then I want to add that to the situation. It's taking its time, but it's crisping around there now, which is great. Just don't want to burn it, right? So don't have it too high. Adjust your heat every now and then, like I'm doing. It's so interesting, egg, how it holds things together. So fascinating. And we're just completely winging it. While this is cooking, I'm going to chop up some strawberries and some bananas and get some coconut yogurt ready. But I'm going to hang around. Always don't leave your stove. Like don't walk off, and think that it's just going to be okay. You've just got to keep moving things and turning things and adjusting heat and doing all those sorts of isms. It's super important. So I've just got some banana. I've got some strawberries. Coconut yogurt. Now this coconut yogurt is an amazing recipe. It's in my light and easy online cooking class, which you all must sign up. Trust me, it's amazing. I've got some pecans, some cacao nibs. I'm just kind of winging it. I really don't know what I'm doing, to be honest. But it kind of gives you an idea of what you can do. Now that's still, I can smell it, still happening in the corner there. My vegan friends, huh? They just love to be different, don't they? Not that there's anything wrong with them, I love them dearly. But they know me so well. Make this, Cynthia. Make that, Cynthia. It's like, yeah, righto. Let's grab a plate. Yeah, cool. All right. Just going to slice these up. Done. Pecans, where are they at? Okay, I'm ready. Actually held together well. Impressive, impressive. Oh, yeah, very impressive. Now, what I want to do is crush these on there like this, splatter this everywhere, have a little this on there too. Eat some as you go. And then, I can't stop eating it now, yummy. And then, I definitely want to, wait for it. I want this coconut yogurt to be on the situation as well. Kind of all over it and everywhere. And then I want to have this maple syrup saturating it. And I think we're done. That to me is bloody genius. And a few of these little cacao nibs just because we have them. And I'm still building flavour here, a splash of cinnamon, just over the top of that banana, just to give it a little bit of texture. Right, to all my vegan friends, this is for you. Can't wait to eat it. Actually, I'm going to eat it now. It's so interesting how when you play with stuff like this, it's like eggs. You know, you kind of look at eggs differently, right? Because we didn't really need them. I thought it was going to fall apart, to be honest, but it didn't. God bless us all. Remember we said we're going to save the bread for last, Ruben? We are so not saving the bread for last. Every time we film and we eat bread, we're just like, woohoo! And we just started filming, so that's fucking good. Dude, that's really good. That's really, really, really good. And you know what? I can't really taste the chai tea in the milk mix. So if you just got allspice and cinnamon, that's fine. This is really exceptionally good. Watch your heat. The almond meal in the mix has a lot of sugar content in it. So does coconut milk. So it's going to burn. So adjust that heat, play with that, and you know, create that romance with cooking. Comment below. If you're new to my channel, ring the bell. I always do that when I find a great channel. You know, I want to know what's going on. This is freaking epic. If you're gluten-free, use gluten-free bread. If you're not, use a really good 36-hour fermented sourdough. So, yeah. Okay, bye. Lasmi's pregnant. This is our third child together. That's how long we've been working together for. It's a really good Lasmi. I'm so happy. It's good for your kids. It's good for your children, right? To have that as a snack. Better save some for Ruben. Look at look at your turmeric hands.
Thank you. Oh.
It's good, yeah?
Yeah.